Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing a hanging lighting here. I have some of the products that I'm going to be using. I have some LED lights, this tin planner, and also some spray paint that I'm going to be spraying it with. And I wanted to do something different, but I definitely wanted to try to incorporate some type of farm look. But I want to thank y'all guys for tuning in, and let's get to it. First of all, I'm going to take my screwdriver and see if I can drill holes in this planner, which is pretty thin, and I have mastered that, yes. And I'm going to poke as many holes in it as possible because I need my lighting to go in between. The harder you press down, the bigger the holes get. I didn't want to make them too big, so I'm doing them small. But if you're doing it, I recommend just drill all the way through. That way you can put less lines, or you can follow this pattern here. I'm going to take my flower cutters and I'm just going to cut in between the dots, giving me an opening. As you can see, I'm struggling with these wire cutters. It has a spring, so they have to be adjusted every time you cut. So let's poke a few more holes in it. You can take your time with this. Okay, I'm gonna take my cutters and bend inwards to give a clean top here. That way the wire's not sticking up at the top. Okay, I'm gonna try my light to see will it fit. Need to add another hole. So guys, I added a total of 10 holes to this project here. Okay, it's a perfect fit. Now for the inside, I'm gonna just bend the metal in a little bit. And you don't have to worry about this inside. I mean, it's gonna be covered with the light. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to spray paint it. I'm gonna leave the inside silver. Okay guys, I got it spray painted. Now I'm going to be using my gold foil, and I'm going to be placing it around the edge. I have my Mod Podge here as well. So I'm just gonna put a thin trim around the edge. And guys, y'all might want to do one side at a time. That way your Mod Podge doesn't dry on you. As you can see, I'm adding more because it dried up a little bit on me. Okay, now I'm going to add my foil. And I found this pretty easy to just grab a pile of your Mod Podge and just go to just dabbing all the way around. It's quicker, it's easy. Instead of doing one sheet at a time, just take a lot of sheets and just dab. Okay guys, once you get all of it on, you want to go back over it with your Mod Podge. Let it dry. Now it's dry, I'm just go ahead and clean it up a little bit. That's how it looks. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and add our lighting. And you want to use AAA batteries for these little LED lights. Okay. We're going to take this little sticker off in the back right here. That way it'll stick to the tin. Just pull up lightly. You don't want to pull off your little ring here. And just push, and it's stuck. Okay, that's how it looks. All right, I have some chain here. I actually have a total of 3 pieces that I'm going to be using for this project. And I'm just going to stick it in, loop it, and hook it together. And that's how it looks. You can hang this side by side like this, or you can hang them together like this. All right, guys, I'm ready for the look. This how it looks. Y'all guys, tell me what you think. Leave your comments below. If you enjoyed this DIY, like, comment, share. Also subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a video. Everything that I used will be linked in the description box below. Guys, leave in the comments, did I achieve the farmhouse look, or could I have did something different? I value y'all comment. Please comment. And if you're not part of the channel, please subscribe. Guys, I'm wishing y'all love, peace, and happiness. See y'all in the next one.